Hello everyone, this is Carlos from Protopixel and welcome to this brief tutorial on how to use Resolume Arena with Protopixel Create in order to create light shows or light scenarios with LEDs very easily and quickly. It is amazing how fast you can create lighting, interactive lighting and dynamic lighting stuff with these two softwares. So I will open up Arena. Arena or Resolume Arena is VJing software that is mainly used for VJing and the output of it, that it's this video here, would normally be used with a projector, let's say. And it works really well, and you can do this dynamic stuff. This is generated in real time, the combination of the different loops and the effects, etc. So it would be amazing to use this video here inside of Protopixel in real time. So use this to create the image that the LEDs will use to get the color from. So this is very easy. Just take care and be sure that the siphon output, the texture sharing siphon, is activated. So you can see here in output, I just have to make sure that the stick is here, texture sharing siphon. Okay, and this is all that you have to do with Resolume Arena. Now with Protopixel, we just can open it, and I will open a project that I have for this occasion. Here, then, yeah. So in this project here, I have some LED strips just on its place, like 5 like this and 5 like that, and they are already connected to the controller, and yeah, everything is ready for adding some content on here. So this is fairly easy. You just go to Content Siphon. This will create this siphon content here. I will resize it. And then in the source option, it will show the detected one, which is in this case Arena composition. Okay, so this is it. It is the video here generated by Resolume Arena that is already being transferred in real time into Protopixel Create. You can see here in the simulation that is actually sending all the information. Okay, so now in real time I can go here and start changing stuff, and this is already being sent to Protopixel and to the LEDs directly. You have seen how fast this is, how easy it is to connect the two of the softwares. So thank you for watching, and good luck with your next lighting project.